Hey y'all, so I'm at the U of M in Minneapolis for Hmong Heritage Day with my cousin. And I'm lost in this campus because this campus is too big and confused. I'm walking around and I'm trying to go there if I can go find her. I mission is to go find my cousin. This is such a lost. I came to the same side of the store. Woo! Oh my god, you did not just see that. I'm so lost. Where is she? Woman, where are you? I'm so lost, where are you? You're on camera. Hahaha. But what? I do see.
Found
You know where I am now?
Finally found you! Wow, you're all your way over there. This woman. This woman.
So finally, like a good 30 minutes, I finally found this girl. Haha, we can go to our next mission now. We're gonna go meet with our other friends.
Let's go take the bus.
Bus?
Take the bus.
Okay, let's take the bus. It's cold walking here.
I finished the old version and they're pretty much the same thing.
How do you think I feel? Look what I'm
Yeah,
wearing.
you have a job.
No, I don't.
Bro.
Right, dorm food, college food. They have a pool table. No, it's not pool table. It's the hockey thing. Ice cream. Oh, this is a pool table. Whew. You know, from my perspective, I think walking around here on campus with a lot of people here is very nice. It's very welcoming. It's like home, a new home, you know.
It's the college experience, you guys.
It's better than walking at home in the dark. Shit, something gonna follow you, but I mean, look at this view, people.
In the skyline.
I know, it's so
Of the city.
nice.
Look to the front.
Woo, look at that light. That window is very fascinating. Look at them stairs. Look at that view, look at that view. So pretty.
Okay. My name is Austin. Big and buff.
What do you mean? Oh, when you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no.
You are. That's all. You're gonna.
I saw you at the scene. Yeah, you're like, he's like, invite me. Invite me. Good, do you still know to do it now?
Nothing without you, your touch, your skin. Where do I begin? The way I'm missing you. These sentences hold out inside. These tears, they tell their own story. Told me not to cry when you were gone. Feelings overwhelming, it's much too strong. Can I lay by your Make sure you're alright. I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight.
I got my full again.
About 8:23, we finna head out to her dorm to go get her stuff and pack up and go to her house. Yeah.
Does my shadow look make me fat? Of course I'm not fat. I'm skinny as hell. We're waiting for the bus to come. It's scary at night. It's so quiet. We're finally an NB here. She's into characters.
Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Oh, you shoot me down.
The bus came, is it? Is that our bus? No, it's a city bus. There's a car behind us.
I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet.
No, I'm with people.
Close up. We're in the elevator. Is that a camera?
Third floor.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? I'm in your room. This is Hmong daughter crazy dorm life of not cleaning her room up. She wanna pack up. I'm on her bed. She clean up. Clean up faster. Buddy. I love how they have a walk-in closet. That's so cool. I'm tired. You know, I did not come to help this woman carry her stuff. What is this? How does explain this to me? Why am I carrying your stuff? Huh? What is this?